National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for eastern Wake County until 1 p.m. At 12:36 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Garner or near Raleigh, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Raleigh around 12:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Roseville, Knightdale, Lake Benson, Wendell, and Lake Wheeler. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina.